we want to lift people up here. We want to work with people who also lift people up and help the brands any way we can, even if it's a soft no, or even if they're not ready for fulfillment. We want to help them with a solution and maybe give them some resources on, hey, here's what you could do until you're ready to launch into a fulfillment company. And then on the same side, if a 3PL is not necessarily a good fit for our partnership, hey, here's a couple things that would, maybe get some software in place and maybe try to tweak this and do that in order to take you to the next level. And then when you're there, reach out for some opportunities. And on the reverse side, we've had brands that have not gone with a 3PL that we offered to them as a potential option. And that's okay too. I mean, a few come to mind where we worked with them and they come back a year and a half later and they say, hey, that option that we move forward with is starting to feel like it's not really a good fit for our scalability or just really good culture fit or not good for long term. And that's okay. No fault to the 3PL, obviously, just not a good fit. I'm working on one right now. They're doing 100,000 orders a month and they're doing coffee mugs and thermoses and water bottles. And they reached out to us 2.5 years ago, ended up onboarding with a fulfillment partner who didn't have the true omni-channel capabilities of doing their wholesale and B2B. And now we're working through the RFP process with them and getting them a multi-node solution, probably going to do the wholesale B2B at the LA port because, it's closer to retailers and they don't have to drayage all the way inland to Dallas or Ohio is kind of where we're deciding. But just coming up with a solution that makes sense for them long-term is our goal.